Hey everyone, it's Nahar Geva here, the CEO and founder of Zik Analytics, and in today's training video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to wholesale on eBay in 2021. We're going to use Alibaba for sourcing products and we're going to sell the Alibaba products on eBay. Probably if you're watching this video, you are either an eBay seller or you want to start an eBay business. You can be a dropshipper, a reseller, or you can even have your own brand. In this guide, we're going to talk about one business model, and it's wholesale. It's when you go and you buy bulk. You go and buy big quantity of products from the manufacturer, from the supplier. You store this product in your own warehouse or in fulfillment center, and you ship the product. You sell the product directly on eBay, and you ship directly from there to your customers. Now, for this business model, there are advantages and disadvantages. Like any other business model, nothing is perfect. But I would talk about the advantages and disadvantages to make it clear for you guys. The advantages of wholesale, the advantage of buying bulk quantity, holding the products in your own is first that you comply with eBay policy. You're doing everything by the book. eBay cannot suspend your account if you're doing everything correctly. Number two, when you wholesale products, when you buy products from the manufacturer in China or from the supplier, you buy it in wholesale price, which means you can have a competitive price compared to your competition. Number three, and is super important as well, you're holding the products in your hand. Means you bought it from the manufacturer, you shipped it from China directly to your warehouse, for example in the United States, and now what you do, you offer much faster shipping for your customers. So it's not just a competitive price, but it's a better shipping times because you are holding the product in the United States and you're not shipping it from China. On the other hand, which is also very important in this case, you are holding the products and you have the power to ship the product on time, to make sure they packed correctly, to make sure the customer received the best experience. The disadvantages of buying bulk, holding a stock and selling it on eBay is that you have a financial risk and that you have a lot of physical involvement. So first of all, you need to understand, once you're going to buy a bulk, you're going to put a significant amount of money into this bulk. Of course, you can go for cheap products in the beginning and not order too big quantity, but still you have money involved. You have put your money up front on the stock, and just then you try to sell the product on eBay, and this is the risk you have to consider when you're starting this business. Of course, that wholesaling, it's more scalable and there is a lot of advantages. We talked about it, but the risk is financial and we have to consider it. The second disadvantage is that you have to really, pack the products, ship them, and you need to really handle the whole physical part of this business. However, there is alternative for it when you're using a fulfillment center. But fulfillment centers becoming it's profitable to work with fulfillment center only from certain amount of orders usually. So usually when you start a wholesale business, you'll start from home or from a warehouse, and later on you will move it to fulfillment centers when it's become worth it. Let's move on to the first slide and get started going through a sourcing process, learning how to source products step by step, and what are the important things you have to consider when you're choosing your products. Let's get started. Product sourcing step by step. So I prepared for you here 5 steps you have to consider when you start sourcing products. It's very important to follow these steps in this order because every step support the others, right? So let's start with the first one. So first one, you have to decide which product you want to sell, right? So you have to look for selling opportunities on eBay. I'm going to show you soon one example. I'll share my screen and I'll show you how I look for selling opportunities on eBay using Zik Analytics. But till you haven't found the selling opportunity yet, you have nothing to do. So you cannot just go randomly to Alibaba, buy random product and hope that they will sell on eBay. You have to find a product with demand on eBay, make sure you can source it for the right price on Alibaba or from your suppliers, and just then move to the next step that will be calculate your profit and loss, make sure product price, shipping cost, storage, taxes, everything is calculated before you buying a bulk. Then, of course, you have to make sure after you found the selling opportunities, you saw that there is a product on Alibaba that fit, you made a calculation, you see, yes, this is profitable after all cost, after importing the product, after packing, shipping, everything, this is a profitable product. Then you have to send a message to the supplier, order few samples to make quality assurance and supplier validation. Make sure he ship you the product in the correct packing, that the quality of the products are good, that there is no any damages, or that this is not a different product, all right? And then after you went through all these 4 steps, you basically completing the product sourcing with ordering a bulk quantity. Let's say 100 units you order to either your home or to your warehouse or to your fulfillment center, whatever it is. But I always, and I really highly suggested to go through these steps, validate each part. You can print it, you can literally print it, screenshot this one, print it, and go like a checklist, go one by one. Number 1, find a selling opportunity. Selling opportunity means a product with demand, high demand, low competition. Number 2, look for similar product in your supplier, for example, Alibaba. Number 3, once you find a product, calculate profit loss. Make sure you are not losing. This is crucial because you're having a risk of investing into the bulk, investing into the stock, okay? Which can be a lot of money. And then, of course, you order samples, 2, 3, 4 samples, make sure quality is good, and you complete the process with ordering a bulk quantity. I'm gonna now share my screen. I will make a short demonstration on how to find selling opportunities and how to check out who is a reliable supplier on Alibaba. So let's go there. So we are inside Zik Analytics in the product research, and what I did here, I've been analyzing the niche digital scale to look for selling opportunities. So as you can see, we're starting with validating demand and competition for this specific niche digital scale. You can see that on the first page of eBay, the first 100 active listings under the best match result generated $52,000 in sales in the last 30 days. We're talking about 81% success rate, very diverse niche. The demand level is very high, a lot of sold items, and the average selling price is $13. So based on these statistics, when we look generally about the niche, looks like we found a very good niche here. There is enough demand and enough chances to succeed if we can rank our product on page 1. So after we validate the niche, we want to scroll down to the product list and look for selling opportunity and make sure the products we're going to bring, the products we're going to try to sell, have high chances to get to the first page result. And there are a few things you have to consider. It is the price, it is the product itself, your pictures, your shipping, how fast is your shipping, and your seller level, right? So let's scroll down and look. So I'm going through the best-selling products here. So the first one is a digital scale for jewelry gold. Then we have another one here for body weight. And then we came across this one. This seller have 11,000 feedbacks. This product here sold 167 times, but for only $7. So I try to look for products selling for a higher price, so we can also make some profit from it. So let's scroll down more and see if we find some other opportunity here. So we have this product here selling for $9, sold 120 times. We have this product here selling for $12.99. Take a look, guys, sold 148 times. Seller with a lot of feedbacks. This is a digital kitchen scale. Let's open this product. So it's product that sold lifetime 930 times. This is something I like to see, that there is a lot of lifetime sales. And in the last 30 days, 148 times. Also a lot. It's a digital kitchen scale, which is up to 10 kilogram LCD stainless steel for food. So what I'm going to do right now, after I found this product here, which have selling for $12.99, around the average selling price, 148 times. So this product has demand, this title work. Even though seller with a lot of feedbacks, I will still try to find, because I think it's still like some product we can really compete with. Of course, after I validated the niche and I saw, okay, there is a lot of demand for these products, okay? This is also very important. Of course, if you want to have an easy start, what you can do, you can filter by feedbacks, and then you will see all the sellers with a small amount of feedbacks, okay? This is also very interesting. This seller here, for example, this seller, take a look. He had 216 feedbacks, sold this product 28 times for $30.99. This product here, it's a kitchen food scale for cooking, baking for 10 kilograms. Interesting. Selling for $14.99, sold 117 times, and from a seller with 498 feedback. So you can either go for and try to beat the small sellers and try to bring similar products to them, or you can go to the top selling products. I'm going to show the example right now on the product we saw up there. So let me just filter back here by sales. All right, and it was this product here, right? $12.99. So let's open Alibaba. Let's open Alibaba.com. And let's go and do the process. Remember, step number 1 was to validate the selling opportunities, find selling opportunities. Step number 2 is to go to the supplier, to go to Alibaba, look for a relevant product for the relevant price, right? So this is a digital kitchen scale and it's for 10 kilograms. So I will copy these keywords. I'll put here, I write 10 kg. And then I'll get the result, and then I'm going to look for something similar. So this is not, so this one is 10 kg digital scale. Let's open up this one, and it's look quite similar, I would say, almost same, just a little bit different, but it's fine. This is also what I like, to be very close to the original, but look a little bit different. So I bring something new to the market. Pictures here, by the way, are great. So we can get this product here between $5.27 to $5.91, depends on the quantity. You will receive the stocks in 15 days. You get all the information you need here. Minimum order is 500 piece, but I'm sure you can contact the supplier, you can negotiate with him, you can contact either through here or through a call. But what is really important is to validate the supplier first. So what you want to do is you want to go here and see if it's a verified supplier. You want to see the rating, how many years it's operate. On Alibaba, I would always suggest at least 1 year, not less. What is the response rate? How many transactions? And on-time delivery and all these things. And then you open the verified supplier batch, and you want to go, you basically open the seller here, and you want to go, okay? And what you want to do right now is look for the social proof. And what you want to do right now is look for a proof that this supplier is real. So what you're going to do, you're going to go here, you're going to put your mouse here, and you're going to click here on the supplier assessment, and then you're going to see all the information about the supplier. So you want to see that there is videos, picture, that there is contact information. You want to make sure this is a real manufacturer and not agent. You have all the information here. And of course, then you want to also scroll down, see some more pictures, see pictures of the factory, of the workers, just a social proof to make sure it's real. Of course, when you order small quantities, not a big deal, you know, the risk is not so high, but I always suggest to really validate the supplier before you order products from. All right, so after you validate the product, what you have to do, you come in here, you look on the selling price. Okay, you need to now do the calculation, right? We validate the product, now we do the profit calculation. We want to sell this product for $12.99 or less. We buy it for $5.27 to $5.91. You do your calculation, check how much is the shipping cost to you, custom, taxes, everything. Make sure you can sell this product with a better price than your competitor, right? This is what you're trying to achieve. After you did it, you validate completely the profit. Then you go and you order bulk. You make sure, of course, you are ready to receive the products. You have custom agents, etc. Now we're going to move on to the last 2 slides. We're going to talk about how to calculate profit, of course, which is super important, and then about the never do's. So because this is such a sensitive topic, I want to make sure you all guys understand it 100%. How to calculate your profit loss. So first of all, you have to define your target price. We discussed it. If you want to sell this product for $12.99 or for $12, you have to make sure you have a target price. Based on that, you have to know your selling cost on eBay, how much PayPal and eBay fees you need to reduce from the selling price. Then, of course, you have to understand your final product cost, include the packing, taxes, shipping, everything. After the product arrives in your warehouse, what will be the final cost? Then, of course, if there is any storage cost, you need to put it in the calculation, and the shipping cost to the customers. Make sure, guys, to be super accurate, okay? Write down all this information into Excel sheet. Calculate as long as you need. Don't compromise on this. Don't do it too fast, okay? Don't rush it, okay? Because if you made a mistake here, you lose a lot of money. So let's move to the last part, and is the never do this when you're sourcing from Alibaba. Number one, never order big quantity before you tested few samples. I mentioned it before, it's crucial. You're working with Chinese manufacturers, you're ordering bulk quantity, can be mistakes. Please check out before so you don't risk your investment. Number two, never order from supplier without or with low rating. So if there is no rating at all, no social proof, no information, don't order from him. If he's less than 1 year on Alibaba, don't order from him. If a low rating, people complain, don't order from him as well. Never rush on profit calculation. I repeat it again. Never order bulk before you are in contact with custom agent. A lot of people who just starting with import export, they import, they don't know that they need to basically import it officially through a custom agent that handle the documents, everything go through smoothly. I can tell you that in my first business I didn't notice, and my goods got stuck for over 1 month in customs. All right, and of course, never order more than you can handle. Don't order more quantity than you can have in your home, your warehouse, or the fulfillment centers. Start small, test out a product, see how it goes, and then order more. Guys, I hope you find this session valuable. I did my best to help you and to show you valuable information. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.